Hi everybody, I am right outside the Church History Museum here in Salt Lake City, which is right next to the Family Search Library and right across the street from Temple Square. See the tabernacle there? I'm excited to go in today because some of the artifacts, just a few of the artifacts that were purchased by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints from the Community of Christ are in here on the second floor. So once I go in, my voice will be subdued. Can't speak as loud as I can outside, but excited to go in here. I'm making this video because I really want those who can't attend in person to be able to see this and be able to experience it, at least virtually. And those that are in and around Salt Lake City would love for you to have a chance to come in and look at these firsthand and see them personally. Okay, we're here on the main level of the Church History Museum. The exhibit we want to see is on the second floor, so there's an elevator, or you can go up these stairs. So let's head up these stairs. Multiple exhibits are here, but we're going to go see the artifacts that came from Kirtland. And right up at the top of the stairs, Sacred History. That's what we're after. Okay, let's do a quick look around the room. These are all of the artifacts from the Community of Christ that were recently purchased by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. As we enter the Sacred History artifact exhibit, there are some signs here, QR codes to learn more. Here we will see some key documents, including Joseph's copy of the Bible, characters that were scribed by John Whitmer from the gold plates. Here's John Whitmer's History of the Church. The Bible that Joseph used for his revision, Joseph Smith translation. Here's the door from the Liberty Jail.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get in front of you.
You're good. Okay, let's do a quick look around the room. These are all of the artifacts from the Community of Christ that were recently purchased by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. My goal with this is, if you don't have a chance to make it into Salt Lake City, that you can virtually experience this. Let's first begin by looking at the portraits of Joseph and Emma. David Rogers, 1807 to 1884. Great detail, well maintained by the Community of Christ. And on the other side, here's the picture of Emma. Here's a letter that Joseph wrote. Note the date, June 27th, 1844, Carthage, Illinois. This would have been the last letter he wrote to his wife, Emma. Here we have letters. This was written from the Iowa Territory. And here's one that he wrote.